back to ALH Success Lines Fashion and Fitness channel. My name is Angela, and in this fashion edition, I am going to share with you how to make fast fashion look expensive. So now, when we look at the definition of fast fashion, it is when retailers produce trending items at affordable costs. So these items may not necessarily last you a lifetime. I know I just did a video on some classics that should last a lifetime, but these are items that will be great in the meantime. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you. Again, I do fashion and fitness for a mature audience, although all are welcome. Please follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Pinterest, where I have about 27,000 monthly views and growing. And if you're not following me on my blog, the information will be listed in the description. By the way, all of the items I am wearing in the video will also be listed in the description box below this video. So please, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get started.